Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your Kia Optima 2000 to 2006? In this video, we're checking out all the fuse boxes from the engine compartment to the cabin area. I'll show you where they're located and explain how they keep your sedan's electrical system safe and running smoothly. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2001 and 2002 Kia Optima features protection and regulation for major engine and power-related systems. It manages circuits such as the engine control unit, cooling fan, and ABS. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2003 to 2006 Kia Optima features protection for essential power and engine-related systems. It controls circuits for the engine management unit, ABS, ignition, and fuel pump. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2001 and 2002 Kia Optima features protection and control for key interior electrical systems. It manages functions such as the vehicle's lighting, radio, and power windows. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2003 to 2006 Kia Optima features protection for vital interior electrical components. It controls systems such as interior and exterior lighting and the audio unit. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.